First, festive season is here and there are huge discounts on iPhone with some cool deals. You can purchase an iPhone from Flipkart the Big Billion Day sales or Amazon Great Indian Festival sales. Now after you decide to buy a new iPhone 16 or any other iPhone model, the first thing you must be looking to do is transfer data from old phone to new iPhone or transfer WhatsApp messages from old phone to new iPhone 16. Well then, if that's the case, this video is exactly for you. Watch this step-by-step iPhone data transfer tutorial to know how to transfer WhatsApp messages from old phone to new iPhone without iCloud. Hey folks, Maswakil from Double Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to transfer WhatsApp from old iPhone to new iPhone without factory resetting iPhone. The best part, we won't be required to install any third-party app or use computer or laptop. We can simply use our old iPhone and new iPhone to transfer WhatsApp chats wirelessly. So without wasting much time, let's get started and know how to transfer WhatsApp chats from old iPhone to new iPhone without iCloud. To get started with WhatsApp transfer, simply open WhatsApp on old iPhone, then move to settings. Thereafter tap on chats. Now scroll down. Here we get option move chats to Android and transfer chats to iPhone. First, we can move WhatsApp chats to Android from iPhone using this first method. So if you are looking to transfer WhatsApp messages from iPhone to Android without factory reset, then you can use first option. But as we want to transfer chats from old iPhone to new iPhone, tap the second option. Here we get transfer chat history to iPhone pop-up. It helps to transfer your chat history privately and have your most up-to-date messages without using iCloud. Now once we are ready, it asks us to scan QR code using the new iPhone. We are simply required to install WhatsApp on new iPhone, register with the same number and then use old WhatsApp camera to scan QR code shown on new iPhone WhatsApp. So now open WhatsApp on new iPhone and then tap agree and continue. Next, enter number and get it verified using WhatsApp verification code. Thereafter tap continue. Now here we have the QR code. Simply scan QR code using WhatsApp camera on old iPhone. Once we have scanned QR code using old iPhone WhatsApp camera, it will start preparing to transfer WhatsApp chats to new iPhone. And here it brings to transfer WhatsApp from old iPhone to new iPhone. It may take some time depending on size of data, and once done, here we have the confirmation. Complete setup on new iPhone, and here on our new iPhone we have the confirmation. Transfer completed. Your chat history and media are now available on this iPhone. Simply tap next to continue, enter name and continue. Boom, here we have successfully transferred WhatsApp chats from iPhone 6 to iPhone 14 without iCloud. That's how easily we can also transfer WhatsApp messages from old iPhone to iPhone 16 without iCloud or factory reset. Now, what if you want to transfer data from Android to iPhone 16? Well then, in that situation, you can watch this video from my channel and transfer phone data from Android to iPhone 16 for free. That's what I had for today. Hope you found this useful and got value. If yes, let me know by smashing that like button. Also share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Today I wanna show you all the official way to transfer data from Android to iPhone for free. Well first, if you are looking to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 18, then this video is exactly for you.